Hello friends, so today I am going to compare two leading brands of India, that is Amway Nutrilite Daily versus Sun Pharma Revital H. The comparison will be done not only on the basis of prices but also on the basis of quality. According to Nutrilite Phytonutrient Report, 75% of adults don't eat enough of fruits and vegetables per day, as said by WHO, and people who do eat they still struggle to eat a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. Since fruits and vegetables are a very vital source of vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients, this can be a major problem for your diet. This is where our supplements can help fill in some of those dietary nutrient gaps. They are not meant to be a replacement for food but a supplement for the diet. So I am starting with a quick demo. For that I am going to take Amway Nutrilite Daily Revital H along with lukewarm water at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the normal body temperature. After pouring water in both the glasses, now the next step is I am going to take one tablet of each Nutrilite Daily in one glass of water and Revital H in the other glass of water. Nutrilite Daily goes in and Revital H. Also goes in. You can shake both the glasses to disintegrate the tablets. Since vitamins are water soluble, that is they dissolve in water and will be absorbed by the body any time of the day due to the presence of stomach acid. Now we are going to wait for next 30 minutes as a regular tablet should disintegrate within 30 minutes in lukewarm water. After stirring it with the help of a spoon without touching the bottom of the glass, we are going to put it aside and wait for next 30 minutes to see what happens. So for now I will show you how effective is the working of our Nutrilite Daily. Since cell, the smallest unit which make up the tissues, and tissues make organs and organ make the body structure. Here we have rice and betadine with us. After pouring water in the glass, we will pour some rice which acts as cells in the glass. Now just look at the mixture. It looks so fresh and natural without the presence of outer pollution. And also the fruits and vegetables we eat, they destroy our body in certain ways due to the presence of insecticides and pesticides in it. Now we will take betadine solution which helps to kill germs and bacteria and also dead cells present in the skin. See how it affects our body. Put a little amount of betadine solution in the pseudo body and dissolve the mixture. Since little amount of insecticides and pesticide doesn't hurt your immune system, but daily its quantity increases, and also stress and pollution be the factor and slowly degrades your body and cells. Also it generates free radicals since it is clearly visible by the color change that there are presence of free radicals in it. Now we will put half crushed Nutrilite Daily in the pseudo body and again we will dissolve the mixture. With the help of a crusher I am doing so, and in the powder form we are going to dissolve it. Nutrilite Daily has 6 phytonutrients that fights all free radicals and chemically degraded cells. You can see the cells rejuvenates and become fresh. Also the color changes to green, which is the color of plants, of course. And it helps to make your immune system healthy and doesn't allow free radicals to generate back. Also, the water waste that you see here is not waste at all. If you will use it in the plants of your home, it will act as fertilizer and help them to grow. So after 30 minutes, let's get back to our first experiment. And with the help of a spoon, I am again stirring the solution. You can look closely and see which has done the job better and which has not. It is clearly visible that Nutrilite Daily has dissolved and disintegrated faster than Revital H. So now let's look at the list of comparison. Nutrilite Daily is plant-based multivitamin and multi-mineral supplement with the combination of 13 vitamins and 11 minerals with the additional benefits of phytonutrients, whereas Revital H has 10 vitamins and 9 minerals with the benefit of ginseng root extract. Now, apart from vitamins and minerals, the recommended age for the consumption of Nutrilite Daily is 12 plus years, whereas for Revital H it is 18 plus years. And with the usage, in case of Daily, you can take it whole life without break. And in case of Revital H, you need 15 days gap after 3 months of use. Coming to the return policy, it has full refund even after 30 days of consumption. But in case of Revital H, if the seal is broken, you cannot return it. Let's look at the extra benefits of Daily. It has 6 phytonutrients, that is acerola cherry, watercress, parsley, spinach and alfalfa. In case of Revital H, you will find ginseng root extract. Dosage in case of Daily is 1 tablet per day with the meals, and with Revital H it is same 1 capsule per day. Now let's look at the MRP. It is rupees 2229 per 120 tablet pack for case of Daily, and in case of Revital H it is rupees 550 per 60 capsule pack. Let's look at the customer or consumer price, that is rupees 2149 rupees per 120 tablet pack, and in case of Revital H it is not mentioned. So the per tab cost for Daily is rupees 18.57, for Revital H it is 9.16. So in terms of pricing, Revital H wins, but in terms of quality and values, Nutrilite Daily is surely the winner.